Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to get a job at FedEx, today I'm going to take you through the entire process, so let's dive in. So if you are ready to join one of the world's leading logistics companies, then you are in the right place. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and give you some bonus tips. So let's jump straight in. First of all, you need to jump onto the FedEx website, browse the FedEx careers portal to discover what roles might match your skills as well as your interests. And don't worry if you don't meet any of the qualifications just yet. Apply anyways. You'll never know what might be waiting for you. Join the FedEx talent community to stay updated on any new opportunities. And then create your account on the FedEx careers portal and prepare a tailored resume highlighting your relevant experience. You can apply for up to 3 positions simultaneously to obviously maximize your chances. Some roles do require online personality and skills assessment, which is designed to match your traits with job requirements, and these also help FedEx personnel find the right cultural and professional fit. Then expect a phone, video, or in-person interview depending on your role. Research FedEx core values, their customer service, problem solving, and operational excellence. Practice behavioral questions about teamwork and conflict resolution. This is important because when you walk into an interview, you need to be prepared. This will help you stay relaxed and focused. If you are selected, you'll receive a comprehensive offer detailing your compensation, benefits, and the next steps to take. FedEx offers competitive packages including health insurance, retirement plans, and even employee discount. You can now participate in role-specific orientations and access the FedEx Learning Center with over 25,000 courses for continuous professional development as well as career advancement opportunities. Here's a bonus tip for you. Make sure that you're putting a lot of time and effort into your resume. Make sure that you are preparing enough for your interview. Even before you have an interview, make sure that you've done some prep to understand what it is that you're getting into and how you should actually handle yourself. Make sure that you look neat all the time because first impressions go a long way. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.